Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. Whether you need transmission work, windshield repair, tire repair, at Patriot Subaru, we provide complete service for your Subaru vehicle, from regularly scheduled maintenance to transmission repairs. Here at Patriot Subaru's state-of-the-art green facility, you can relax in our customer reception area with free coffee, Wi-Fi, computers, and a TV, while our highly trained Subaru master technicians utilize our 16 service bays to make sure your vehicle is serviced promptly and correctly. Come in today or visit us at www.patriotsubaru.com. While you're there, check out one of the largest in-stock parts departments for genuine OEM parts in New England. Plus, we order every day, so you always get what you need fast. Get information about our customer drive-in area, where you're always protected from the weather. Order parts and visit our accessories website. And when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. Patriot Subaru is located at 769 Portland Road in Saco, Maine.